guys, it's Sarah. I am here with a really basic but delicious recipe. I'll show you how to make the ultimate garlic fried rice. Oh, sorry. I was just thinking about garlic fried rice. So delicious. So you know with fried rice recipes, they always tell you to use cooked, cooled overnight rice. And you should use that if you have it, because I think fried rice really comes out of not wanting to waste any leftover rice. But if you really want fried rice, you don't have to wait one whole day. I'm going to show you how you can use freshly cooked rice and optimize it for really lovely separate grains of fried rice. So I have some freshly cooked rice here. Oh, I love rice. Okay, so I want to scoop the rice out. And once it's cooked, you want to lay it on a nice flat tray and get it into a really thin layer. And you basically want the rice to rapidly cool down. And it's that cooling and drying action that makes the rice suitable for a fried rice. It's not just the fact that it's been in the fridge. If it's in the fridge but it's really soggy and mushy, wet rice, nothing's gonna save it. The fridge is not gonna make magic happen. I'm gonna let this dry off, cool down, while I prep my garlic for the garlic fried rice. So the reason this garlic fried rice really gives you that garlicky punch is that I have two preparations of garlic in it. I'm gonna make some garlic chips, and I'm also gonna put in some minced garlic into the rice. I'm gonna take 3 cloves of garlic and I'll just slice them thinly, but not too thinly. And when these cook in the oil, they're gonna infuse the oil with a lot of mellow garlic flavor, not like just straight chopped garlic. And also, they'll get really nice and crispy and golden brown, so it'll add some texture to this garlic fried rice. And I'll take 2 more cloves of garlic and just mince them really finely. So the thing about garlic that really makes it kind of a magical ingredient is that it tastes really different when you use it differently. So raw garlic has a really distinct taste. It's kind of really spicy. And then just simply fried chopped garlic, that also has a really strong garlicky taste. And then you have things like garlic confit, where you cook the whole clove in some oil, and it's really sweet. So for this rice, I'm just gonna do 2 forms of garlic today, the garlic chips and the minced garlic. But if you really wanted to push the garlic-shaped boat out, then you can add some garlic confit if you have some slow roasted garlic. Just mash it up and add it to the rice. Or you can even find some black garlic and add that whole cloves to the rice as well. It's time to get frying, but the first step is to make our garlic chips. I'm gonna just use the same wok throughout, so I wanna get some oil in there. Before I turn the heat on, I'll add the garlic slices. And I'll just very gently cook this on a low to medium heat from cold, so that the garlic slices cook completely and turn golden brown and crispy throughout. Just drain the fried garlic chips on a little bit of kitchen paper to get rid of any excess oil. The key to perfect garlic chips that are evenly golden brown is to cook them really gently. You don't want to rush this process, otherwise they're gonna get too dark on the edges and not be crispy inside. So I'll set these aside. And now you also have this amazingly scented garlic oil. From this point on, we're gonna work at a high heat, so everything is really quick. Fried rice is all about speediness. The minced garlic goes in. And already you're getting all these different layers of garlic aroma. I'm gonna take the cooled down rice and chuck it in. But really, best of all, this trick of using freshly cooked rice for fried rice means that you can have fried rice in a hurry instead of waiting until you have some leftover rice, because nobody has time for that. So just stir everything up. We want to make sure that the rice is nicely coated with the garlic oil and the minced garlic is evenly distributed throughout the rice. I'm gonna season the rice with a pinch of salt. This is also gonna get seasoned with soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce, But with fried rice, I don't like it to be too liquidy, so I don't want to add too much of those things. I want to make sure that it has a lot of flavor in itself. So salt is important. A little bit of ground white pepper, just a touch. That's looking good. So now I'm gonna add the 2 liquid seasonings. This is soy sauce, and how I do it is I drizzle it on the edge. And what that does is it allows the soy sauce to kind of char a little bit. You'll smell this smokiness. So you get that wok hei, which is what the Chinese say to mean the spirit of the wok. It means that really lovely, charred, stir-fried flavor. And the final seasoning is a little bit of umami, courtesy of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce. This has a very strong taste, so you don't want to add too much of it. Just a few dashes will do. And that's basically it. If you want to make this a lot more indulgent, you can stir in a knob of butter at the end. Final thing, stir in some chopped spring onion. Here it is, my perfect side for a Hamburg steak, a little bit of Japanese beef stew, or even just a fried egg. Beautiful garlic fried rice. If you have a little bit of extra chopped spring onion, you can add it as a garnish on top. And don't forget these lovely, crispy garlic chips. It smells so good. It's really aromatic. No words needed. It's good.